Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream Gulab Jamun. First, combine 1 cup of milk powder with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a pinch of baking soda. Next, knead this mixture with a few tablespoons of milk to form a smooth, soft dough. For the ice cream, prepare your favorite vanilla base and ensure it is thoroughly chilled. Now, gently roll your dough into small, uniform balls, ensuring there are no cracks. Heat oil in a pan to a medium-low temperature, around 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and fry the Gulab Jamun until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Simultaneously, prepare a simple syrup by boiling 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water and a few green cardamom pods. Once fried, immediately transfer the warm Gulab Jamun into the prepared sugar syrup and let them soak for at least 30 minutes to absorb the sweetness. While they soak, churn your chilled ice cream base in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Then, carefully fold the syrup-infused Gulab Jamun into the freshly churned ice cream. Finally, transfer your delightful ice cream Gulab Jamun mixture into a freezer-safe container, pressing it down gently to remove any air pockets. Cover it tightly and freeze for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set completely. Serve scoops of this unique dessert chilled, perhaps garnished with some chopped pistachios. For other great deals, including some fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.